Alright, so to your clamps from Harbor Freight, do this. Alright, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Alright, so all you're going to need for this is just some pliers and a flathead screwdriver. So what we're going for here is, if you can see in here, you see this little paper clip looking thing. Let's see if I can get a light in there and get my hand out of the way. If you see inside there, see that paper clip looking bastard. Okay? What you're going to want to do is you want to take that screwdriver and you want to stick it in here and just pop those bottom prongs up. Okay? This is very simple. Alright, see now that they're popped out. Alright, don't delay. Just going to take this out with the pliers so you can actually grab the damn thing. You're going to pop this out, you're going to get this paper clip looking spring. All you're going to want to do from here is just gently bend it a little wider. Okay? And then you're just going to shove it right back in there where it was. Might take some persuasion. There you go. But now you're going to feel a noticeable difference. And alright, there's that. Fixed until it wears out again. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I didn't waste any of your time. Have a good one.